Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. My name is Vishal and in today's video, we will learn how to use a pivot table in Google Sheet. In today's video, we'll cover two topics. First, like how to create a pivot table, and second, we'll learn how to create a calculated field in pivot table. So let's get started with the video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's move to the solution. Here you can see we have some raw data which having a product category, month, unit sold and total cost. And now if we have to create a pivot table, what we need to do is we have to click on insert. Here in the insert section, we will get this option called pivot table. We have to simply click on pivot table. The moment I click on the pivot table, we'll get this particular pop-up which says the data range, like the range of the data set. And here we'll get two options. One is like new sheet and the second is like existing sheet. Let's say I want to create a pivot table in the new sheet. We have to simply select this particular option. Let's say I want to create a pivot table in this particular sheet itself. For that, what we need to do is we have to simply click on existing sheet and then we have to click on select data range. Then we have to simply select any of the cell where we want to create a pivot table and then click on OK. And then we have to click on create. The moment we clicked on a create button, we will see this particular option which says pivot table editor. With the help of this pivot table editor, we will create our pivot table. Now first option here is row. In the row we need the product category. For that, what we need to do is we have to go to this add button and then select the product category. The moment I selected the product category, you will see it's showing all the unique product category. Now we have to add the total units sold for each category. For that, what we need to do is we have to go to this option values and then click on add. Now we have to select the unit sold. Now you can see we are getting the total units sold for each category. Similar way, we have to add the total cost. Again, we'll click on add button and then select total cost. Now you can see we are getting total units sold as well as the total cost. So let's say we have to calculate the per unit price for each category. What we need to do is we have to simply divide the total cost divided by the unit sold. And then we'll get the per unit price for each category. But this is one of the manual way. But in pivot table, we don't prefer to use the manual calculation. Instead of that, we can use the calculated field. To use a calculated field, what we need to do is we have to go to this option value as and then click on add button. And here we have to select the calculated field option. The moment I selected the calculated field, you will see the new column has been added which says calculated field. First, we will rename this calculated field to per unit price and then we will apply our formula here. Now here we have to enter our formula. So our formula is like total cost divided by unit sold. In the same manner, we have to write it here like first single quotation mark and then total cost and then quotation mark again divided by unit sold and then quotation mark again. Make sure that each header is started with the quotation mark and also ended with the quotation mark. And then you can see we are getting the per unit price for each category. So this is how you can use a calculated field in pivot table. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to Excel Dose. Thank you so much for watching.